So this is one of the most exciting videos for the fall 2023. This is the unboxing of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and this is the Fly More combo with the RC2 controller. First, I was actually picking out my little pocket knife here because I was thinking that I should need it to take away the plastic, but that's not needed because we have this little pulling tab here. That was easier said than done. I think I'm gonna need my knife after all. This is actually where the pulling tab was. That was for this little piece of tape that we had here, not the outer plastic. Oh, look at this. This is the same pouch that you got with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So let's see what we have inside. This one is empty. Let's see here, if we open this up. Wow, look at this. Here we have, oh, that is the drone. This is remote. This looks like it's the battery pack, isn't it? Yeah, exactly. So this is 2 flight batteries, and on the back side here, or here, we can see that it's the 249 grams. So I'm pretty sure that this is an identical battery to the ones that you have in the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And here we have the DJI RC2 remote. And that was really hard to get open. They haven't been saving on the glue for this ones. So this is the new DJI RC2 remote. And this is the same remote that you get with the DJI Air 2. And you have these 2 antennas, so that should give you a lot better connection with the drone, so you can actually aim it towards the drone. And the DJI RC2 is communicating with the drone with the O4 protocol instead of the O3 Plus that we had on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So we're gonna have a connection that is up to 20 kilometers when you are in the States. If you are in a CE country like Europe, then it's limited, so you won't get that distance. But now let's see what else we have here in this little pouch. We have, of course, what we've all been waiting for, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna look exactly as it did on all the pictures that was leaked out. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Here it is. Look. Oh, they included, look! They included a propeller holder. Look at this. You snap it open. Wow, finally they have included the propeller guard, the propeller holder, so they don't need to flap around like this anymore. This is such a nice surprise. And it's actually really thick and sturdy. Please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. And here you have a little manual how you should put it on and apply this ones. And it looks like you're gonna have it like this. You're gonna have the propellers like that. And then you're gonna have that piece forward like that. And then you're gonna have the propellers back like that. And then you just snap it back in here. And now you have attached the propeller holder again. And this is such a nice feature. And it's also like that, so you can see how much battery you have without taking this off. And as I can see, there is no battery. Here it says charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time. So we need to charge it first to be able to activate it. And that's probably why we don't get any battery indicator here. And the propellers look the same as the ones on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Let's unfold this ones. Those ones go backwards and these ones goes forward. So you can open this up in any combination as you want. We can see that the front protector here is a lot bigger than on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And let's take that off. Ooh, look. And here we have the front-facing sensors that are angled towards the sides, and here on the back side, here we have the back-facing sensors. And the good thing with the DJI Mini 4 Pro is that we have obstacle avoidance, 360 degrees around the drone, so we don't risk to fly into things the same way as we did with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Then we also have a lot better active track on this drone compared to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and I can't wait to try that out. So if you haven't subscribed already, do that, because I've tons of active track videos for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and I'm so excited to try that out here on the DJI Mini 4 Pro as well. So the thing we're gonna do when we're gonna start this up, we're of course gonna take away all these little protecting plastic pieces that is everywhere, and they have marked them with these yellow pulling tabs. Here we also have one remove before first use, and now we're also gonna get this little cushioning that is on the back side here. It's important to take all of this off before we start the drone up, because if not we can destroy the little motors that are controlling this gimbal. We have both horizontal shooting and true vertical shooting. And here at the back side, here we also have another pulling tab, and that is for that battery. Let's see if we can get this off. And the battery is pulled off the same as the DJI Mini 3 Pro. You just push on the sides, pull this right back. And here we can see that there's nothing more inside here that needs to be removed. It's just like this. And then we can just put the battery back inside like that. And then we check the battery level like pushing that one. But as we can see, the battery that is delivered with is just empty. So this is what the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone looks like. We also here on the back side have the same solution that we have in the DJI Mini 3 Pro, that we have a USB-C port and we have a SD card port. But now let's see what else we have in this little package here that we get with a Flymore kit. Here in this pouch, let's open this up. And here we have USB-C to USB-C cord. We have a USB-C to USB-A cord. We have spare propellers. That can be good if you are crashing or they are destroyed in any other way. We get a little screwdriver to replace the propellers. And I actually don't like this screwdriver. It's actually not good at all. I'm gonna drop a link to the screwdrivers that I recommend so you can pick them up if you want to. And the same for all of these things. I'm gonna drop links to that as well. And here we also have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the manual. And then we have these little things that you're not supposed to eat. And the thing to have more batteries, that is fantastic. And you should always have more than one battery, because when you're out flying and you know that you're gonna do some more shots, you just will run out of batteries. So you just keep more batteries. That's why I really recommend the Flymore kit, so you know that you have more batteries on hand when you're out and flying, because you don't want to run out of battery. Now I just would like to mention what you actually get with the DJI Mini 4 Pro compared to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. One thing you get is, as I mentioned, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors. With the DJI Mini 3 Pro, you only get front-facing and backward sensing, so you don't have anything on the sides. And that prevented the DJI Mini 3 Pro from having 360 degrees active track capability. With this drone, you can active track any direction and you don't need to risk to fly into things. And I'm really looking forward to try the active track of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, so we can see how that works. The flight time of the DJI Mini 4 Pro is set to 34 minutes, and that is the same time that we have on the DJI Mini 3 Pro, so that is the same. So it's as efficient as the previous drone, and that is probably just because it weighs the same, the propellers are the same, and the batteries are the same. And it still weighs in below 250 grams, so you have those benefits in countries like United States of America. Here in Europe, we still need to have the same drone license, etc., just because it has the camera. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has exactly the same camera and sensor that we have on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's a 48 megapixel sensor. They have implemented D-Log-M, and the D-Log-M picture profile makes it a lot easier to work with this image together with other cameras and make them match, because you can tweak the colors a lot more than you could before. What we do have on the DJI Mini 4 Pro is that we have a night mode. So under here we have a LED, and that one gives you light during nighttime so you can land more safely, and you can also activate that light when you're flying so you can see the drone better in the air. And one good thing for European flyers, that is that this drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro, is actually C0 certified. One exciting thing that you get with the DJI Mini 4 Pro that you didn't get with the 3 Pro is that you get waypoints. So you finally can use waypoints with this one, something that you needed to have, for example, the DJI RC Pro previously, so you could use third-party apps. Now you can use waypoints also with this little guy, even outside time-lapse. We also actually get the cruise control with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and that is really exciting, and I can't wait to try that out also. Now I just can't wait to create more videos with the DJI Mini 4 Pro so I can see what it can do, and I can teach you how to do it so you can become a pro on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now see each other in that video. Have a good one. Bye.